Hey, let's do a quick stir fry together. Let's saute a little garlic and onion together, and we'll saute that for about a minute. This is one of those quick meals that we can make when we're on the go and don't have much time. We can do this in under 30 minutes. Let's add our chicken and saute it together with the onions and garlic and give it a chance to cook while we're sauteing our chicken. Let's steam our broccoli for a few minutes so it'll be ready to go in the pan once the chicken is done. Let's get ready to add our steamed broccoli. Now, once we add our steamed broccoli, we're going to let that cook and we're going to make a delicious sauce to go over this. This sauce, once you make it, your family will not believe that this meal only took you less than 30 minutes. In our sauce, we have a third of a cup of soy sauce and a third of a cup of oyster sauce. We've also added 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we've added 4 teaspoons of sesame oil and just a dash of white pepper. You can also add red pepper flakes to taste. And what really makes this sauce great is the 2 tablespoons of dried cherry. Once your sauce is all poured in, mix your vegetables and meat around, making sure that you coat all of your veggies and meat. Then just let simmer for 5 minutes as the sauce thickens up. Now it's ready to serve. A hot, delicious meal in less than 30 minutes. Remember, cook with the ones you love and love the ones you cook with. Please subscribe.